Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Hi, my name is Carmel Reina. I make lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos here on YouTube. Today, I'm going to be doing my makeup in 10 minutes. Yeah. So, here's the dealio. My boyfriend always tells me that I am incapable of doing my makeup quick because in the past, I have not done my makeup quickly. So it's understandable why he thinks that I can't do my makeup quickly. But today, we're going to prove him wrong, and I'm going to do my makeup in under 10 minutes. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you find it enjoyable, or funny, or entertaining in some way, shape, or form. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just go ahead and get started. So we're going to set our timer for 10 minutes. It's not even focus, but for 10 minutes. Alright, let's go. Start with primer. This is literally the same routine as I did in my last video. Literally the same foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me. I feel like maybe doing some on my neck was a bad idea because I'm wearing a light colored turtleneck. I'm regretting that right now. I'm just gonna wipe that off really quick because I'm really regretting that decision, and I really hope it doesn't stain the sweater because I really like the sweater. I need a new concealer, clearly. On camera it doesn't look that bad, but oh wow, that's a lot of powder. Yikes. going in with my brows. This is literally about the same as what I did before, just like in my last video, my holiday glow up, just faster. I just saw Kristen Dominique do this and she was like freaking out the whole time, which is kind of what inspired me to do this, because I was like, ah, maybe I won't freak out. But I feel like maybe this is why it takes me so long to do my makeup, because even when I'm on like a time limit, I don't like super rush, you know? I feel like I should be more, I feel like I should be moving faster than this, but concealer. I have, oh my god, shit, I have 3 minutes left? No way. Oh my god. Alright, just kidding. I'm gonna be a little bit more urgent now. I feel like I haven't even done anything yet. Alright, we're gonna use this to blend it in because we don't have time to do the whole buffing situation. I'm literally going to work like this, so this makeup better come out good, because okay, brush, I'll take a dense brush. My brows don't look too bad. Take powder and set my lids. Oh my god, I have 1 minute left. Jesus. Just like this, it's really just me throwing shit around at this point. I have 1 minute and 14 seconds left. I haven't figured out how to edit like a timer, so I feel like if I do figure it out when I'm making this video or editing this video, I feel like the timing is going to be a little bit off, but I have 57 seconds left. Literally, I love how I drop shit like when I'm panicking. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, that's 10 minutes. I did pretty well for 10 minutes. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. That's not bad for 10 minutes. That's the majority of my makeup. I'm gonna need to fix my hair, but it's not that bad. I'm just gonna finish it up. The only thing that I didn't have time to do was my highlighter and then like curling my lashes and doing that, so I can do that really quick. Overall, it wasn't that bad. I was expecting a lot less to go on. So I'm honestly a little shocked. I feel like I was kind of like not rushing. I feel like if I had rushed a little bit more like in the beginning, maybe I'd be done. But again, like, this isn't bad for 10 minutes. I was expecting a lot worse. Because my boyfriend tells me all the time, he's like, ugh, your makeup's gonna take you an hour. Did this take me an hour, Bubby? I don't think so. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna finish it up because this is how I'm going to work, so. It really isn't that bad. I feel like maybe I put on a little bit too much blush because I was going in with a pretty heavy hand. But overall, I'm impressed. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. I thought my eyebrows were going to come out a lot worse. I feel like I could fix them a little bit, but for the most part, I think it's pretty good. I'm honestly really impressed that my camera didn't stop the whole time. So it's just continuous. Beautiful. Just gonna throw on some mascara. And then I think I might fix my brows. I feel like I should. God, I wish this didn't clump. I need to really find a good mascara that works for me because this one, the Better Than Sex, it does not work for me. I feel like it works for a lot of people, but it just doesn't work for me. Like, you see how my lashes were super curly and now they're not? Like, it doesn't hold the curl. I don't like that. Yeah. Alright, people, that's it. Alright guys, so that is me doing my makeup in 10 minutes. It was more like 13 or 12. I'm actually pretty impressed. I thought it was going to take longer than it did, and I didn't think that I was going to get as much done as I did in 10 minutes. Like, all I really needed to do was my highlighter, which I do after setting spray, and my mascara. So I'm impressed. I'm very impressed with myself. So I hope you guys liked this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and be sure to subscribe if you have not done so already. I make a new video every single Friday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Perfect for me because I like to do more neutral looks, and when I do like glam looks, I do more smoky eyes. So this is like, this has all the colors that like I need, you know?